Welcome to Motus Karts, a game for advanced users focused on improving the accuracy and endurance of their movements. The goal of Motus Karts is to try to follow the blue line as closely as you can while you race around the track. Press the next button when you are ready for the next instruction. Your kart will constantly move in the direction that the kart is pointing. Press next. You steer the kart with your movements up and down. When you bend up, the kart will steer clockwise to its right. When you bend down, the kart will steer counterclockwise to its left. To move the kart straight ahead, hold in the middle of your range of motion. There is a helpful steering wheel at the bottom of the screen to see how you are steering. Press next. Try to stay on the track as close to the blue line as you can. The closer to the blue line, the more points you will get. If you drive off the track, your kart will slow down. Try to get back on track. Press next. Once you complete the track, you will get bonus points based on how quickly you completed it. Then you will start a new race on a different track. Good luck burning rubber.